Hello, this video is geared towards some of the people who maybe have a high degree of flexibility or mobility, but still feel tight. So often as we start cultivating an awareness of, say, the body, we will realize, oh man, I'm so uncomfortable. Everything's so stiff and tight. So what do? We start stretching. And that's great. However, sometimes stretching could lead to, longer and maybe stronger musculature, but we might still feel stiff and tight. So if you're one of those people, you can definitely look into, do a bunch of research on supplements, magnesium specifically, that kind of stuff. But also, what we need to look at too is the meditative side of things, the constant fight in the mind, the conflict there. And resistance internally very often presents in a type of perception of stiffness in the body that is very difficult to surmount. And what we'll find is that as we can release more and more and more deeply with our meditation, as we are merging with more and more refined energy sources and substances, that we're able to release that much more deeply. And often that can have a far more comfort-inducing and relaxing effect than stretching. As one, I think he was a naturopath that I went to once, he said, what did he say? Do you want long muscles or relaxed muscles? So we're taking that to a deeper degree with meditation. Okay, hope this was helpful. Thanks for your time. Bye.